full of air and crunchy. Welcome to another video. Buongiorno. Today we're gonna make pizza from home. We're gonna start by to do the polish, and the importance of polish as well, it makes the pizza lighter. Okay, don't feel the yeast inside. Add the water. In the water we add the yeast and the honey. Then we're gonna mix it together. Okay. If there's any lumps inside, you have to break it. Gonna add in the flour inside, mix it together. Phase 1, it's done. Now I'm gonna cover it and leave it at room temperature for about 15 minutes. Then I'm going to put it in the fridge. Okay, so I'm making the dough now at 10 in the morning. Tonight by 8 o'clock I'm going to make the dough and then leave it overnight until tomorrow by 5 in the afternoon, where I will remove it and then start the pizza. See you tonight. Okay, as you can see now, the dough is well proof, okay, compared to before. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to start to make the pizza dough. I have a 750 gram of white flour, zero. Okay, I'm not using any special flour. I have 30 gram of salt, and then I have 375 ml of water. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start the dough now. We're gonna put the polish inside the bowl. It doesn't matter if it's still cold. Okay, it's okay. Look at this, you see, full of air inside. Add the water, almost all the water inside. Okay, just leave a little bit. All the salt. So the salt, gonna dissolve it inside the water first, and then we're going to mix it inside the polish like this. Okay. It's very important as well to do these steps for the pizza. Okay. Now we're gonna add inside the flour. Good to put all at once, not a problem. Okay. Then again with the hands, like this kind of movement. Okay. As you can see, starting to form more dough now. So this recipe we're gonna make 6 pizza dough. So when it's almost hold all together, so now we add the rest of the water inside. It will be a bit sticky, it's totally normal. I'm going to transfer it on the table. So now we're going to work the dough, okay? It's gonna be a bit sticky, it's totally normal. Okay. From the side, in. See, like this. Turn it. In. Okay, turn it. Okay, so when you see the dough is well, the flour is all mixed, okay, you don't fight with much now. What to do, just roll into a ball. Okay, like this. We're gonna cover it for about 15 minutes to rest. Then after, we go for the next steps. So with the cloth, keep it there for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes have passed. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get some olive oil, okay, in my hands, like this. Tap around it. I'm gonna lift it under like this because it's sticking on the tabletop. We're gonna fold it a little bit more again, like this, okay, from in. To roll it slowly, not to release the air inside. As you can see, the dough is getting much better now. If it's sticky, okay, again a little bit of olive oil, tap it on top like this. Okay, roll it inside. Okay, into 6 equal pieces. Here I have flour and semolina. 50% the flour, 50% semolina flour, to put the dough on top in the fridge. And now I'm gonna flip it over. Okay. Cut. But I'm going to use now the scale. So we're gonna divide around 280 grams of dough. Just inside the semolina and the flour mix. Now the folding, you can make by hand like this. Push the inside out slowly, not remove the air. Okay, like this, shape round. Put it inside. Now I'm going to cover them, going inside the fridge until tomorrow by 4:30 in the afternoon. See you tomorrow. So I just removed the dough inside the fridge to leave it around 1 hour and a half. Okay, to cool down to normal room temperature. This stage as well is very critical. To work the dough needs to be at room temperature, not cold. So I just now put the pizza oven outside on. That will heat it for about 1 hour. You can use the normal oven just to put it maximum degrees, okay, to heat the oven. So this one I'm putting it to 450 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating up, we're starting to prepare the mise en place for the pizza. Now I'm putting the mozzarella cheese. You can even cut into pieces. For the topping, of course, you can choose whatever topping you want to put on your pizza. So I forgot to tell you as well, I have some Parmesan cheese. Now I'm going to prepare the tomatoes. Okay, I'm just adding some olive oil inside, some salt. You can add even basil leaves, which unfortunately I don't have. The pizzas have room temperature. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to split them up together. First I'm going to put a little bit of flour on the table here. Then slowly I'm going to remove one. Okay. Put upside down inside like this. Okay. Then put it on the table, on the worktop. With some flour on the top, I'm pushing the air from the center. Okay, like this. While opening it. Alright, turn it upside down again. Same. Slowly, slowly. In the hand as well, slightly open it like this. Just be careful it doesn't break the pizza. And make sure always the lower part stays up. Remove some of the flour underneath. Less flour is better or it's gonna burn. The tomato sauce, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella, green olives, mushrooms. Okay, like this. I'm going to put some little bit of flour in front of the pizza peel. Quickly, very fast inside. Just give it some extra size like this. Okay, good. Look how beautiful, look at this. Cooking very fast, eh? Usually the oven is under 1 minute. The pizza is ready. Pizza alle seychellese, eccoci. Crunchy crust. Okay, from the inside, full of air. Beneath, perfect cooking. So guys, what I will tell you is, bon appetit. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe, share, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.